In this video, I will show you how to add a page between two pages of this PDF document. The final result will look like this, where there is a blank page containing the text New Page inserted here. I will demonstrate this using this PDF document. As you can see, it consists of 7 pages. We are going to add a blank page between page 1 and page 2. To add a page to a PDF document, you can do it online by accessing the website link to ilovepdf.com. On the main page of the site, tap the Split PDF button. Then, press the Select PDF File button and choose the PDF document you want to add a page to. Open the settings by touching the gear icon on the right side. In the dialog window that appears, move to the Pages tab. For the extract mode, we will choose Select Pages, then enter the number 1 in the input field to extract the first page. After that, scroll down a bit and press the red Split PDF button. Next, download the result of the first page extraction by pressing the Download Split PDF button. You can see the download progress in your notifications. Still on the I Love PDF website, press the back button to return to the Split PDF file page. Press the Select PDF File button to get the original PDF file. Once the file is uploaded, select the gear icon on the right and move to the Pages tab. In the Extract Mode section, choose Select Pages. In the Pages to Extract field, enter 2 to 7, which means we will extract pages 2 through 7. Don't forget to check the Merge Extracted Pages into one PDF file box so that the file remains as one. Confirm by pressing the red Split PDF button at the bottom. After that, download the file by pressing the red Download Split PDF button. Just like before, the download progress can be seen in the notification section. Let's go back to the home screen and open the File Manager. As you can see here, there are now 3 PDF files. The bottom one is the original file, the one above it is the page 1 PDF, and the top one is the PDF for pages 2 through 7. Now we will prepare the page that we want to insert. Creating the page can be done using a word processor application like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Here, I will show an example using the Google Docs app. We'll just create a new document. Since this is only an example, I will type New Page on this blank page just as a marker. We will name this new page. Once the page is ready, we only need to press the back button. Then download the file by touching the 3 dots on the file name and selecting Download. Okay, the file has been saved. We can check the File Manager app. As you can see in the Recent Files section, there is now a PDF document titled New Page. This is the blank document that we will add between pages 1 and 2. Now I will show you how to insert that blank document between pages 1 and 2. But before that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. We return to the browser. On the I Love PDF website, touch the More menu button, then select the Merge PDF menu. Press the Select PDF File button to get the files we want to combine. First, we will choose page 1 by touching the file name until it is checked. Then, we will select the New Page document so that it follows the order we want. Third, we will select the PDF document for pages 2 through 7. Once finished, press the Select button in the top right corner. To merge the 3 PDFs, press the Merge PDF button. When the process is complete, download the result by pressing the Download Merged PDF button. The progress can be seen in the Notifications section. The download is finished and can be checked directly by touching the notification. As you can see, the new page document we inserted is now between pages 1 and 2. That was the way to add a page to a PDF document. See you in the next tutorial video.